In today's video, I will teach you how to show live preview on your design. So let's start it step by step. First of all, click on Product Data, then click on Custom Field. Add your first field. Then enter any text in label area. After adding your text, add image in product gallery that you want to show your design on. Then scroll down and click on Add New. Select your image that you want to show your design on live preview. Select your live preview area that you want to show your design. Follow these settings. You can set your own setting, but for now, use these settings. After setting, click on Update button and then open your product page. So that's how your text will look like in live preview. You can also add your design in live preview. Follow these steps to show your design. First of all, click on Product Data, then click on Custom Field. Then enter any text in label area. Click on Type and select File Upload option. Then scroll down and increase limit to 3. And then scroll to Live Preview option and add New Field. Select your image that you want to show your design. Then select Second Variation. Select your design area that you want to show your design and choose these settings. After settings, click on Update option and go to Product page. Upload your image to check live preview. So that's how you can show text and design in live preview using Custom Field plugin.